Good morning, students. In the previous period, we have seen what is meant by ratio, then comparison of ratio, then how to find a value of ratio, and then how to denote it by ratio, and then how to read the ratio. X is to y. In a ratio, we compare the two values, compare the two quantities, or compare the two objects. First quantity divided by second quantity. The relation of two quantities, both the same kind and same unit, obtained on dividing one quantity by the other is called ratio. So today let us start exercise 11A. Exercise 11A. In our first question, express each of the following ratio in its simplest form. Express in simplest form. Express in simplest form. See here. 4:6. 4:6. 4:6. 4:6 is equal to 4/6, or 4 divides 6. See here. So write down in simplest form. Meaning of this term is you divide both the number, divide by common numbers. Divide by both the numbers 4 and 6, common number. So 4 and 6 are present in a 2. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. 4 divides 2. 6 divides 2. Then we get answer 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 and 3 again divide? No. 2 present in a 2, 3 present in a 3. So this is the simplest form. And then write down in ratio form 2:3. 2:3. Or 2:3. Then in second example, this one is the first. Second one, 48:54. 48:54. 48:54. So again same method follow here. First you write down in division form. First quantity compare with second quantity. 48 divides 54. Then you check which number are divisible, both the numbers 48 and 54. 2 is divisible by both the numbers. 48 is divided completely, 54 is also divided completely, divided by 2 completely. Then 3 divides 48, just 16 3s are 48, 18 3s are 54. So again 3 again completely divided by 3. Then 4 divides 48, but 54 is not divisible by 4. Then 5 is not divisible by both the numbers. Then 6. In a 6 table, 48 is 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. So right here 48 divides 6, 54 divides 6 is equal to 6 8s are 48, 6 9 54, and 8 and 9. These two values are not present in any table, so this is the simplest form. Then write down here 8 is to 9. 8 is to 9. Then third one, 200 is to 250. 200 is to 250. So again same process follow here. So first write down in division 200 by 250. So here first unit place 0 you cancel it. So remain 20 upon 25. 20 and 25 divisible by 5. 4 into 2 is divisible by 20, but 25 is not divisible by 2. 3 is not divisible by 20 and 25. 4 divide 20, but 25 is not divisible by 4. But in a 5 table, both the values are present. 5 4s are 20, 5 4 5s are 25. So divide by 5 in a numerator or in a denominator, also divide by 5. Then we get answer 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So your answer is here 4 is to 5. Very easy. Then in the second part, 5 kg is to 800 gram. 5 kg is to 800 gram. Here units are different. In a ratio, units are same and both the quantities are in same kind. Here kg and gram, different kind. So first you convert kg is converted into gram. Since 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, you know this value in a 4th standard. So 5 kg is converted into gram. So 5 kg is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 gram is equal to 5000 gram. And then write down in ratio form. So therefore 5000 gram divide 800 gram. Both the units are same, gram. So these units are cancelled. Then unit place 0. Here 2 0 or in a denominator also 2 0 is present. So first unit place 0 you cancel it. So remaining numbers 50 upon 8. 50 upon 8. Then 50 and 8 divide by 2. Why? Here unit place 1 0 is present or 8 is a new one. In a 2 4s are 8. So 50 divides 2. Here 8 divides 2. So 2 divides 50. 25 2s are 50. 2 2s are 4. Right here 2. Then 1 is remained. 2 5s are 10. 25 2s are 50. Then 2 4s are 8. So your answer is here 25 upon 8. And this is a pure real number. Pure number. Ratio is a pure number. So 25 upon 8. So in a ratio form 25 is to 8. This is the answer. Second example. 30 centimeter is to 2 meter. So again same. Here centimeter, here meter. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So first meter is converted into centimeter and then you solve. Since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 2 meter is equal to 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200 centimeter is equal to 200 centimeter. Then therefore 30 centimeter upon 200 centimeter. So units are same. So you cancel it with centimeter centimeter. Unit place 0 0. So cancel. So your answer is here 3 by 20. 3 by 20. Or in a ratio 3 and 20 not present in any table. So your answer is here 3 is to 20. 3 is to 20. Third one, you do it. Third example, you do it. 3 meter to 60 centimeter. 3 meter to 60. Sorry. 3 meter to 90 centimeter. 3 meter is to 90 centimeter. Then fourth one, 2 years, 9 months. Fourth one, 2 years is to 9 months. 9 months. Here 2 years and 9 months. So year converted into months. You know, in a 1 year, how many months? 12 months. In a year, in a 1 year, how many months? 12 months. So year is converted into month. And then units are same. Month. So since 1 year is equal to 12 months, so 2 years is equal to 2 multiplied by 12, so 24 months. 24 months. And then writing ratio form, 24 months upon 9 months. And 24 and 9 are present in a 3. 24 and 9 present in 3 table. 3 is a 24, 3 3 is a 9. So put the value divide by 3. 24 1 get cancelled. 24 divides 3. Then 9 divides 3. So your answer is here. 3 is a 24, 3 is a 9, 3. So your ratio 8 is to 3. This is the answer. 8 is to 3. So next, 1 hour is to 45 minutes. 1 hour is to 45 minutes. Here you write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and then 45 minutes and then find the ratio. And then in a 6, 4 minutes 45 seconds. 4 minutes is to 45 seconds. So these two examples you do it. Here you convert 1 hour converted into minutes. You know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So minute is converted into, use here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Use this value, then you solve ratio and then you get answer.